Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks just yesterday. So this is part two. I made part one where we enveloped this, but I put the envelope form into the printing area, and even the guy I'm helping suggested, you're not putting it, I don't have to put it in there. So we're going to grab that. We're going to go to envelope tool and put it inside frame. But here's what I'm going to do differently. Now I want this about right in there, and really I want it at -8. So I want the wording right there, which is 8 by -8. So don't have to grab your t-shirt. I know nothing about printing on shirts. So I've got 8x8 and x or y -8. So we're going to go to Tools, Scripts, and start recording. And I'm going to call it shirt and say okay. And then I'm going to grab this and I'm going to go 8 and -8, and it put it right there on the shirt. Then I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Now I'll move my name back to where it was. And let's see if the macro works. So let's go to Tools, Scripts. Yours might say macros, and then down to Scripts. There it is right there underneath global macros and recorded macros. So select on it and double click on it, and it put it right on the shirt where you want it. Now we can make a hotkey for this by right clicking and assign it a hotkey. And I don't know what, there it is right there. Let's try alternate S. Nope. I'm trying to think of something with shirt. S isn't going to work because that's live sketch. Alternate V. Okay. So you just have to remember, and you can make it anything, and then say okay. And now instead of using the script right here, I can select it and go alternate V, and it put it in the shirt. Now I don't really know if this will help somebody that's doing shirts, but it at least would put it maybe on the paper where you want it to, or if they're like direct to film, this isn't going to help them. But if they're actually printing on the shirt, maybe this will help them. So that's a pretty cool macro. And, try it again, just alternate V, and it put it at that coordinates. And, it might not even help you do, this might not even be good for you for shirts, but just to put something in a place, just like I have for top left center to put a plaque. Anyway, see if that doesn't help you a little bit. Thank you for watching.